Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about skincare, things that I use on my personal skincare routine, essential oils for healthy skin care, and my tips and tricks on how to get the best skin for you. So before we dive into today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, you guys. If you guys aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I will link my Instagram up here for you guys so you guys can check that out. Okay, so as you guys know, essential oils are literally my life. And in case you guys didn't know, I have become rollerball obsessed. Like, I am literally obsessed with rollerballs. Like, I have a problem. So all of the essential oils that I use for my skincare, I use in pretty much roller form besides like maybe one essential oil. So those essential oils I will share with you guys shortly, but first let's talk about a couple of tips and tricks and kind of must-knows, must-haves about skincare, because it's not all about what you put on your face. It's a lot of what's on the inside. So a lot of people are like, I want beautiful skin and I want glowing skin, and they're not willing to look at the things in their life that are causing them to have skin issues. So I always talk to you guys about diet, exercise, and water. Those are like your three main most important things for healthy skincare. So having a balanced, healthy, clean diet. This is one of the hardest things to adopt and one of the hardest habits to adopt. But to make sure you're putting nutrient-rich foods in your body, if you're eating a high sugar diet, high sodium diet, high fat diet, chances are your skin is not going to be in the greatest shape and it's not going to be the healthiest, because that does not, like, what you put in your body just comes out of your skin. It detoxes out of your skin and it's going to make your skin terrible. So there is like nothing better than eating a really, really clean, great diet. That has changed my skincare around so much. And then of course, in vein with that, making sure you're drinking at least 8 cups of water every single day, if not more, because the more water you can put in your body to flush out toxins and flush out crap, the better off your skin will be. And then of course, exercising to detox your skin, detox your body, to sweat out all those toxins. And you don't have to do vigorous exercise. It can be a cardio class, it can be yoga, is an amazing detox for your body, just something that is active, that keeps your body moving, keeps it detoxing and cleaning out. And then my other couple of tips and tricks for you guys on healthy, great, glowing skin is to not touch your face and to not pick your face. I tell you guys, this is my biggest, hardest issue, is I love to pick my face. Like, there's something fun about it, and it may sound super weird, and I'm sure there's many people out there who would agree completely with how I'm feeling, but like, there's something satisfying about picking your face. And that is my biggest culprit, is that I touch and pick my face. So you gotta really be conscious of not doing that, not getting excited about popping zits or blackheads, because honestly, it does not do your skin any good. It just damages it and it gives you more breakouts because you're poking and prodding at everything. So learn to not touch your face, break that habit, all that fun stuff. And then of course, anything else, my other thoughts is that if you have any hormonal issues going on or hormonal fluctuations, that can be affecting your skin as well. Your hormones hugely impact your acne production, especially being female. That time of the month, you're bound to get more breakouts than not, but you're definitely going to see a difference in your skin if your hormones are not functioning properly. So that's something else to look into. Check out my other video I posted about hormones and managing hormones, but there's a lot of factors that go into that. So in regards to healthy skincare, what I put on my face, my skin is combination, so I find that I'm dry in patches but oily in other patches. I would say I'm probably more on the drier side of combination skin, but it kind of depends on the time of year, it depends on the climate you live in, depends on a lot of factors. So there is beauty in finding a skincare line that works for you. I have finally found one. I never used to care about anything anti-aging, anything about my skin. I was like, ah, just water's fine. Now as I'm getting older, I'm like, okay, I need to actually start taking care of my skin and start nourishing it, because it's really important to do when you're like 20 and up, when you're 28. But that's okay. So huge benefit in finding a skincare line that works for you. If you have a line that is working for you and making your skin feel great and healthy, then that is all you need. You don't need to try anything else. You don't need to change it up. I've always been I've always struggled with finding a line because my skin is crazy sensitive and I'm very scared to just buy anything and put it on my face. I want the most natural raw product that I can honestly find out there, because makeup products and beauty products are just full of so many chemicals. So I came across the doTERRA anti-aging skincare line and I am freaking obsessed. I will do a full invasive review on all of this, you guys, but this is just a quick little blurb into acne and like skincare and all of that. So I use the doTERRA facial cleanser, which is so gorgeous and amazing. I also have the reducing toner. I find the toner is a little harsh. It's made only with witch hazel and essential oils, but I find it a little harsh where it makes me break out, so I've opted to not use it, but I was using it for a while. Then I use the tightening serum. I only use this like about twice a week. I was using it every day, and yet again, too much of a good thing can make you break out, I find, especially for me. So I was using the tightening serum just twice a week. And literally the thing that has changed my skincare, you guys, anti-aging moisturizer. I am freaking obsessed with this stuff. Like, it has seriously changed my skin, changed the amount of breakouts. Like, it is so freaking amazing. It is this lotion has seriously changed, like, it's like reduced the amount of breakouts I've had. It's reduced like the imperfections and blemishes. Like, it is seriously like liquid gold on my face. Like, it's got lavender, jasmine, geranium, and frankincense, and I love it so much. Like, I just can't tell you how much I love it. So I'm using that as my skincare line. Nothing too crazy. I try to add a few new products. doTERRA has a bunch of other things like the facial scrub and the anti-aging eye roller ball, stuff like that. But this is what's working for me right now. I find that moisture is key for me to not break out, and then not picking, of course, is key for me to not break out. I was using coconut oil on my face twice a day in the winter, and I found that it was actually giving me more breakouts. So it helped for a while to like balance the pH of my skin, but it was giving me more breakouts because of how oily and greasy it can be. So that just wasn't working for me. So moving on to essential oils. Some of the essential oils that I am obsessed with using. So like I said, roller balls are my life. Like, they are so convenient because they are already pre-diluted with coconut oil. They are safe to apply directly to your skin. So I use these when I need them, when I'm having blemishes or breakouts or imperfections in my skin. And I use them for a healthy glow as well. So first one I use is lavender essential oil. It's really calming and soothing and relaxing to the skin. It helps to soothe the skin imperfections. Then of course I use tea tree oil in a roller ball, which is amazing for breakouts. It's safe for your skin if you have sensitive skin. It cleans and purifies the skin. And I also find it really great for applying after you have shaved. It helps reduce skin irritation. Another one that I love is clary sage. So clary sage is the woman's blend, I always call it. It is like amazing for hormonal everything, especially for your skin. So I like to massage it into my skincare routine, into my lotion or in with some coconut oil, massage it onto my face. It's really beautiful for rejuvenating and soothing any skin imperfections and helping just give you like a beautiful glow, because clary sage is so great for your hormone stability and like being a woman. It's just the most beautiful oil. Love it so much. And then I also have the rollerball of jasmine essential oil. Jasmine is already pre-diluted with coconut oil, and it is great for the appearance and glow of your skin. It reduces the appearance of skin imperfections, helps you give that like youthful, glowing complexion. Jasmine flower is just so beautiful for your skin, for anti-aging. Like, that's just gorgeous. And then of course the one I'm holding here, frankincense. I use frankincense all the time on my skin as well. Frankincense is literally good for so many beautiful things, including skin imperfections and blemishes, helping assist those. It's just such a beautiful, gorgeous oil. I like to apply it like right here underneath like my eyes. Like, don't get it too close to your eye, but I like to put it here so that it helps like with the aging process, as you get like those crow's feet going on. And then of course another essential oil that you could use would be rose essential oil. There's many essential oils that are so beautiful for your skin, but I mostly just use frankincense, clary sage, lavender, and tea tree are my main go-tos. And then if I want to kick up the anti-aging and the beautifying side, I use jasmine, neroli, and rose. So those are the essential oils I'm using, you guys. That is the skincare line I am using. And of course, like I said, diet and all of those things are a huge factor in your skin care routine. So make sure that you are taking care of your skin from the inside out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.